how they did the thumbnails. Oh, I ain't even got no beard or nothing.
Oh, beard.
I mean, paper towel. I mean, what is it called? Whatever.
A beard.
Yeah, a beard. Dang. I said a beard.
Where you going, baby? I'm just trying to get to know you, baby. Pour the beer. If ain't nobody never tell you, girl, you beautiful. I can't imagine all the things I do to you. Even if you had a twin, I'd choose you. Yellow baby style, dope pharmaceutical. If ain't nobody never tell you, girl, you gorgeous. Gon' fuck around and make me buy you all sorts of shit. Body banging like a 911 Porsche whip. I wouldn't mind if you wanna keep it cordial. Make me wanna spend my money.
I went on that. They
That's
got a
what all I
cake in
wanted
the
was
refrigerator.
rice.
I'm dead. They got a cake waiting for me in the refrigerator.
I'm swinging.
They didn't let me look at it yet. Fuck, I'm eating that chicken. Like, I don't got corona. What? I don't. Or do I?
I hope not.
Me too. Oh my God, I don't know how to do crabs. No,
Because you didn't watch.
I ain't watch.
You didn't watch.
Oh, I'm being watched. Maybe that's what it is. Cause he was watching me. But I don't really give a fuck.
Ain't nothing new.
What?
Said ain't nothing new.
Period. And I don't. Ooh. Oh my God. So, it's my birthday. And we on quarantine. No, actually, I'm lying. We not on quarantine. What?
Everyone on quarantine.
See, yeah, we ain't on quarantine. But everything closed. Like, I don't understand. I don't like that. I feel like I'm gonna have to shower after this. Cause
You should have switched your shirts before you ate it.
oh, I didn't take this. I need to go wash. I need to take this off. Wait, I gotta wash my hands. I'm tripping. Dang, I forgot I had this black thing. Okay, so I'm back like a butt crack. I had to take that other shirt off because
You can't wear white skirts no more because your hair dyes on them a little bit.
I knew that was gonna happen. It used to happen with the pink. I already knew it. So, update. Yellow hair do not wear, no, color hair do not wear. Woo!
Come on now, don't stop that cough.
I know, for real. Ooh, Jesus Christ.
Good all day.
Honestly, it be when it get cool outside. And I start doing that fuck shit, like coughing. And I don't even like that though. You hear me?
Kind of feel like it's your fault
What?
that you said.
Right.
Now look at you. Naked. With a one piece.
I got on clothes, baby.
With a one piece.
I got on clothes, sweetie. Did I like rub on my eyebrow? Cause it look like it.
They don't like rub on my eyebrow 'cause it look like it.
I see what part you're talking about.
Why I rubbed it off?
Mm-hmm.
Why? This is why I said that. That eyebrow on my arm.
It's
This
alright.
should be my thumbnail. Nah, that's wet. How about that?
Yeah, the eye like that.
I wasn't gonna post it because I don't know what, but I'm gonna post it now. You hear me and Ball Greasy voice. That sound like him?
No.
I'm dead. He said no.
Sorry. It's enough for me.
It's a no for me. It's a yes for me. I already got that or something. But that was that. So, got some meat now. This shit busting. On my mama. On my mama, this shit busting. That shit getting cold though. I might need to warm it up again. Because I don't like the texture. Did I tell y'all it's my birthday? Talk to my viewers. First of all, I ain't look at the camera. Alright, honestly, my jaw is getting tired.
I was wondering, wait till you gonna stop trying to chew and talk at the same time.
Honestly. I need a break.
No, thank you for this week though.
She swiped the next and no.
But that was bad as I thought it was. Okay.
Woo.
Some things just need to be left unsaid.
Ooh. Say what you gotta say, sweetie. Say what you gotta say, sweetheart. How amusing is it to look at myself while I eat? What?
I see it.
See what? What you see?
Look at that. Look at the eyebrow. Look,
I don't want to look at it.
Let me tie it up. Where the hair tie is at?
Oh, that's what I need. Ponytail.
She keep jumping back like jump back, gonna keep jumping.
I do.
She's right here.
That one was better. Oh. The queen is getting on front. The queen.
I don't never do it twice. I think that one throw your wig out.
Yeah.
Listen.
What? No, he didn't.
I dealt with some weak wig motherfuckers.
Oh, ain't no weak wig motherfucker. This wig pretty strong. She can withstand a couple pullings. Not too many now, because I want my edges.
Oh, let me see.
Never mind. She can't be pulled.
Just lost the fun.
I'm dead. Because I need my edges at the end of the day. When it all comes down to it, my edges is slim to none right now. Because these wigs, I was doing them wrong once upon a time.
Y'all think dreads are meant to be pulled on?
I know what it is.
Depends.
I would agree. I would agree. No lie. Kind of fool.
Don't let your one be here. You say that?
Nah, I can't. So, the coronavirus, it's real.
It was terrible. You cannot have no audience. Yo, that could be. I think she got it, y'all.
The coronavirus is here. I am the coronavirus.
Look, you done shut the little hair tie.
Oh, I forgot.
Look. Now I gotta
But maybe if you would have did it twice, it would have came out.
I gotta pull up the pants for this one.
Pull them up.
No, this
Pull up your big boy pants. Can you tie it twice, please?
I'll try.
Don't try, do it. And my shit ain't weak. Huh. I can't even get this out. I ain't show y'all no close-ups of the food.
I was gonna say you ain't getting no one close up. If I seen you get smashed.
You gotta have that tongue going to get this out. I got some tongue game. I feel like if I was a dude, let me tell the secret. I tell myself this every day. I feel like if I was a dude, I would have a big penis. You wanna know why? Ask me why. Because, yeah, that happened. Because everything about me is long. When they put a short third leg, I got long legs, long arms, long body. Everything on me is long. Long feet. Now, why would they give me a short meat and give me a long feet? It don't add up, you know? It don't. I cannot do the math.
For us long ones out there that don't got long ones.
Say it again.
You're not finna come for us.
I wasn't coming for no one. I'm just saying. Ow. Damn. This pointy thing just stabbed the top of my motherfucking mouth. Actually, the top of my motherfucking gap. I'm dead serious. It stabbed right in between my gap. That was some pain I ain't never felt before. Okay? You hear me? You hear me? You hear me too?
I thought you was gonna say your hand. I was gonna say get here, I kiss it.
You
said your mouth.
I said my gap.
Your gap. I kiss your gap.
Oh. I bet. Ow. And I back like a butt crack. I need one more favor. Can you open it? Now we got some. At least y'all know I wash clothes here. Not me, but they do.
Alright, puffer fish, tonight.
Room temperature water is the best water there is. Room temperature water protects you from the coronavirus. Okay? Drink room temperature water. I needed to go up some. It's down. Put something back there heavy. Room temperature water protects you from the coronavirus. It protects you from bum ass niggas. Room temperature protects you from being broke. Room temperature water. I said room temperature. You know what I mean. Room temperature water protects you from a lot of things, okay? So be like me and drink room temperature water, okay? Do not be like Al. Not that. Never mind. I can't say that. I'll cut that. Cut.
Cut!
All right, now it's that. It got crabs on it. I don't want to do that. You ain't got no Pepto-Bismol. I mean, what's that stuff called? Benadryl. I ain't finna play.
I think how you cried last time.
With Benadryl, right? Oh yeah, you did say it was some up there. Yeah, I know that. What? Why put it in there?
No, I'm just.
Trying to eat cute. Alright, this needs to go in the microwave. This shit cold now. Alright, it took too long.
You a pump fake.
Mm-mm.
I don't know why you took all that skin.
No, I want the skin. I like skin.
Yeah.
It's just dry ass oily shit called butter. You know,
Yeah,
not dry.
Yeah, I ain't
Cold. It done got cold. But the tea is, this shit's still good.
gonna make your husband go to the gym.
Huh? No, this big ass potato. This is all bad for me.
I know, with all that butter. You took your medicine today.
Yeah. I got half the restaurant, y'all. I done told you my secret.
I swear to God, how you gonna tell the world that now?
But you don't. And we back. That was a commercial. My sister called. Oh. All right. Give me a subject. Damn, that was crab on my nose. Give me a subject, y'all. Oh.
I'm like, I'm gonna see how long she keep asking that damn question.
Give me a subject, y'all.
Wow. Ooh. Okay then.
Okay.
Say no to drugs, kids. Say no to drugs. It's the drugs. Only
Only
marijuana. Not no crazy shit.
I was in there in that long ass line. Shit made you go to the house and get some weed. Beautiful. Everybody.
I forgot how to open crabs, and this is about to let. Oh, this is that big one. That's why I'm opening it wrong. Opening it wrong.
Don't lose your side too.
What's that noise?
Tablet.
Oh, my side too strong. No one's out bracket still on this teeth. That's all that matter. Cause I ain't supposed to be doing this. On the real note, I can't get in this shit, bro. Bam. Finally done cracked that hole open. Finally. And I don't even know how to eat crabs, y'all. I'm tripping. I'm cooking for real. How the fuck? What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? I done fucked up, but that bitch gonna be. Now I can't put it in two. It's cold. Cold ass butter. All right. Got this one. Open up, motherfucker. I'm home. Get that up out of there. This is the important thing. Now watch this. Push that hole back up there. She gonna take all the babies out of there. That's the food. The meat. This special piece of meat. Even that look good.
You really got to go to the crab place. Next weekend we'll go to the seafood place. So you can really make your video.
Hell yeah.
I have to get one of them little booths so nobody fall behind us. We got to worry about blurring nobody out. Let's keep them down.
Fuck them hoes. All right.
YouTube video.
Ain't nobody never tell you, girl, you gorgeous. Gon' fuck around and make me buy you all sorts of shit. Body banging like a 911 Porsche whip. I wouldn't mind if you wanna keep it cordial. Make me wanna spend my money and my time on you. When you free, I'ma fuck around and slide on you. Them dark skin